Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see yet another healthy and delicious broccoli recipe, which is garlic and herb broccoli. This is a very quick, easy and delicious broccoli recipe which can be made with just few ingredients. So friends, let's get started with the making of this delicious and healthy broccoli recipe. So here I have taken one broccoli which has been blanched in salt water for 1 minute. I have cut the broccoli into medium sized florets like this and have included the stalks and soft stems as well, which has been cut into small portions like this. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a pan and into it goes around 1.5 teaspoon of olive oil. You can use any other oil of your choice. And when the pan is hot, we will add some minced garlic. I have used here 3 large garlic pods and a very small onion which has been roughly chopped. And now on low to medium flame, we will saute the onions and garlic till they turn golden brown. Next goes around half teaspoon of chili flakes. Stir them for a few seconds along with the onions and garlic. And now we will add the blanched broccoli florets along with the stalks and stems. And on medium flame, we will saute the broccoli florets well for 1 minute so that they can incorporate the flavors of fried garlic, onions and chili flakes. And now we will quickly season the broccoli florets with 1/4 teaspoon of salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now mix the seasonings well along with the broccoli florets by stirring them for a few seconds. And now we will cover and cook the broccoli florets on low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. It's almost 6 minutes. Let's check them once. And our broccoli is almost cooked by now. I will saute them for another 1 minute on low to medium flame. And before turning off the flame, I will add some chopped fresh dill leaves. This will add a nice flavor. If you want, you can also add chopped parsley. Give this a final mix. And our dish is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our healthy and delicious garlic and herb broccoli on the serving plate. You can enjoy this as a healthy side dish along with rice and dal or with herb rice as well. I'll garnish with some more chopped dill leaves on top. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy and delicious broccoli recipe which can be made with just few ingredients. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.